Are pelagic birding chumming practices ethical? Imagine you're out on a boat in the open ocean, searching for elusive seabirds. You see a flock approaching, drawn by something you've thrown into the water. But is this practice okay? Let's find out. Pelagic birding chumming involves tossing fish-based substances or oils into the water to attract seabirds closer for better viewing. It mimics natural events like whale carcasses or large fish schools that seabirds naturally follow. From a safety point of view, chumming is generally low risk for the birds because it doesn't interfere with their natural feeding habits or cause harm. The food used can be fish oil, bait fish, or other attractants, and it draws in gulls, shearwaters, petrels, and sometimes pelicans. People often wonder if this practice is ethical. The main concern is whether it disrupts bird behavior or the environment. Since pelagic birding trips are usually infrequent and happen in vast ocean areas, the disturbance from chumming is minimal. It is important to remember that the birds are not relying on chum for survival. It simply provides a temporary food boost. However, caution is needed to prevent attracting predators like sharks or sea lions that could threaten both birds and humans. Chumming should be avoided near sensitive breeding colonies to prevent disturbing nesting or breeding activities. From the bird's perspective, chumming can temporarily change their natural foraging routines, but it does not seem to cause dependency or long-term harm. The groups of birds feeding aggressively on the chum, called chum scrums, are similar to natural competitive feeding behaviors. Practically, chumming can make seabird watching more exciting and help birders see species that are usually hard to spot. To keep it ethical, use non-toxic bait, limit how much and how often you chum, and respect the environment, especially during breeding seasons. In the end, if done responsibly, pelagic birding chumming is generally considered ethical. It can be a helpful tool to observe seabirds up close without harming them or their habitat. The key is to be mindful of the impact and always prioritize the well-being of the birds and the ocean environment.